What?
Alright.
How long we got to fly?
10.5 hours.
Ain't a child shining like a diamond. I'm not even 18, I think I'm wildin'. Shit! Mention your age and they think you're styling. Oh, forget the numerical, cause I came from the sky and I was here before I knew and before I was self-reliant. Lying to myself and I
I thought I'd be smart and get a really short iPhone cable. It's not gonna work on this trip.
City, then they wrote him a new script. Can we go to sleep? I'm too awake for that, babe. Look between the seats and you might find you some change. Switch where you sit and you might find your lane. Have you ever sat in the pouring rain? It feels real good, I know you should try it.
Oh, say, can you see? It's, what is it, 6 o'clock in the afternoon here, but it's about 2 o'clock in the morning for us.
Been awake for way too long.
James wants a beer. Tomorrow we're riding 100 miles to LA. First day, Project USA. And I just unpacked my wheel. Brand new spin on these Fat Boy. And Delta have managed to punch a hole in the side of it.
That. The opposite of badass, dude.
That is not badass.
As you can imagine, I'm pretty pissed off. But you know, things could be worse. Wheels could be fixed.
Well, if you hadn't used a wiggle bike bag and you'd put a bit of fucking...
Right, what's the plan?
Oh mate, we're gonna go to Pacific Beach, have some food.
Let's do it.
Yeah, you and me. Let's go and, let's go and have a... No, I'm not gonna say that on camera. Let's go and have a romantic date. Hamburger, weren't they? Oh, look, there's nice Lawrence there, mate.
Oh.
No, not that one. That one. That Lawrence.
What?
There, that one there.
What are you doing here?
Nice to meet you here.
Such a surprise.
San Diego.
San Diego.
Place to be in.
Yeah, absolutely. This is very exciting.
What, do you want to ride to Portland?
Ride to Portland,
Yeah,
like
let's
the three
fucking do
amigos.
it. What? Over the next month?
Yeah. Let's
I'm
take a
so
month to do
keen.
it.
Let's do it.
Oh, it's there as well. So apparently I in yesterday's video leaked that you were coming on the trip.
I
don't know, I watched it back, but I didn't. I
couple of
don't really
messages.
pay attention. Some of you noticed it. Cam Jeff has noticed it.
Oh, I'm glad you're with us, dude.
Man, like,
The three amigos.
no, it had to be 3. It would have been cool with 2, but I just feel like that extra person. I mean, how could I not? At the end of the day, how could I not? Ride up America? Yeah, fuck yeah. I'm so keen. If it's got flags, American patriot flags hanging outside,
It must be good.
it must be good. Isn't that right?
I'm not drinking.
He's forgot his ID.
You've got your ID, even though you're like 35.
Yeah.
To be fair, you did have about 6 beers on the plane.
I have 6 beers and I'm not 35.
Yeah, ish.
I had 3 beers over about, what was it? It was about 13 hours. Whether we go through Mission Beach tomorrow, well, instead of down the freeway. Well, it's not a freeway actually. It's,
Down the freeway.
we're not going down the freeway. It's like a cycle lane. We're coming along
so I
Mission
asked
Beach.
the taxi driver guy earlier, can we ride down there, or is it like a motorway or something?
Yeah.
He goes, no, you can ride everywhere there. So let's do that.
Lawrence, what's that?
What did you just ask?
No, I've
the
already
waiter?
no. Tell me that doesn't look like cake.
It does. It's a sponge cake.
That is a sponge cake.
Try it.
I'm not eating it. He said it's.
I'll have it.
He said it's cornbread.
I'll eat it.
Oh no, it doesn't. No,
I'll have it.
I think we're going to have to make a rule.
Yeah, we can't.
Leave the camera rolling all the time.
Mate, this is outrageous. You're not going to be able to ride a bike tomorrow after eating that. It's a whole pig.
Guess what's over there?
So we should explain this to the viewers, shouldn't we? That someone got quite excited. Actually, I'll tell you what. Do you want to explain?
I've never seen anyone so excited about a U-Haul
Basically,
in the Uber.
anyone who watches lots of American vlogs, like I do, ashamedly, U-Haul is like it's like an In-N-Out burger. It's like a cultural thing. U-Haul, bro. U-Haul. It's a U-Haul van.
It's not exciting though.
It is exciting. How can it not be exciting?
Because it's not.
This reminds me of GTA. You used to play that.
What? Just because we're in America?
Well, no, just like the palm trees and the beach and everything. We're actually going there tomorrow. Isn't it set where we're going tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Los Santos.
Real life GTA. happening right in front of our eyes. Oh look. That is beautiful.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
It's not warm like a lightsaber, that's for sure.
Cold. Should we go home?
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna go and check if my wheel's been fixed.
By what? The wheel fairies?
You know, in the hotel.
The hotel. It's not even a hotel, really, is it?
You booked it.
Yeah, man, because it was cheap.
Right, we're just heading back to the hotel. We're gonna have an early night tonight. We've got to be up fairly early. It feels like 4 o'clock in the morning right now for us, and I'm gonna double check that my bike is gonna be safe to ride.
Guys,
Yeah.
you see how big the pavement is here?
No. Sidewalk.
It's like at least
Lawrence's.
At least.
It's even out of beer.
That's massive.
It's at least 2 Lawrence's. I haven't got my passport. I'm not gonna lie.
How long do you guys bike at a time? Because I do a lot of biking as well, but on a stationary bike.
That was the worst
Uber driver.
Uber drive ever. He went wrong.
He could drive.
He went wrong 3 times, and he took us on a lap of San Diego. And if we look at your app, which we're gonna rate him 0 stars, by the way, he kept going on about his 5-star rating. Not after tonight, Francis.
Stop.
Oh, jaywalk.
Oh, not allowed to jaywalk.
Jaywalk.
Here. Yeah.
He was getting so angry.
I could see it on his phone where he was meant to go, and he kept doing it wrong.
It's like, I don't know, man.
Yeah,
You know, he was too busy.
Maybe it's gone.
There it is.
Oh. Come on, carbon experts in the comments.
A lightsaber.
Oh, we can finally test that thing for Jimmy.